Gotcha. Sorry, I've done it again. I haven't unmuted myself. I better go through that again. Yeah, so there's a pinned comment there for Donny Mackenzie, who's asked me to mention a reunion that he's organising for those who have been out of Darnish from, I think, 1975 onwards. So anyone who's interested in that, it'll be in the pinned comments, and also there's an email for Donny as well, for anyone who wants to get in touch with him. And I'll also be doing a wee request for his good lady later on. So I'll be doing some requests as the evening progresses. Now, there's a wee bit of bad news, and that is we didn't manage to get our technical thing sorted out with Ado today. We managed to get contact, but the sound quality wasn't really good enough, and we felt that it wouldn't be really good for us, for him to come on and not be able to sound his best. So one of the things we're planning on doing is for myself and himself to actually do just a special with the two of us on, probably sometime in July when we get an opportunity to do it. So we'll definitely get together and we'll have plenty of yarns about the olden days, especially from 1966 to 1969. Those of you can remember those days, those heady days way back then. So there'll be a few other dedications and things as we go along. I've had a lot of requests, and obviously because Ado's not going to be able to be here, my other guest, my own daughter Belan, let me show you where she is. There she is. Okay. Has come along to do some songs along with me. And so hopefully you'll enjoy the evening and there'll be something for you. It'll be the usual mixture of Gaelic songs and probably a lot more old 60s songs tonight than country. I think there might be a couple of country songs as well. So I'm going to start off with, as you all know, I am a great lover of the Beatles. I just love the Beatles. And I heard this song, I've never done this song before, but it's a song that I remember from way back in the day. And it's from the Rubber Soul album. Some of you'll remember this, so let's give it a bash. Is there anybody gonna listen to my story? All about a girl who came to stay. She's the kind of girl you want so much it makes you sorry. Still you don't regret a single day. Ah, girl, girl. Oh, girl, girl. When I think of all the times I tried so hard to leave her, she will turn to me and start to cry. And she promises the earth to me, and I believe her. After all this time I don't know why. Ah, girl, girl. Oh, girl, girl. She's the kind of girl who puts you down when friends are there. You feel just like a fool, fool. When she said it looking good, she acts as if she's understood. She's cool, cool. Girl, girl. Oh, girl, girl. When they told her she was young and not the plate to pleasure, did she understand it when they said that a man must break his back to earn his day of leisure? Will she still believe it when it's dead? Oh, girl, girl. Oh, girl, girl. Ooh, girl, girl. Yeah, girl. Okay, so that's an old Beatles song from the 60s. And the regular here, I've seen her up already, Chris Harborn, has asked for a dedication for her good friends Dean Fraser and Angus MacDermott. And hope you're getting on okay, Dean, and that you're enjoying I know that they're always regular on the concert. So we're wishing you all the best, Dean. We all remember Dean from way back in the day. So that's a dedication for you there. Okay then, let me now go and do a Gaelic song. I haven't done this one for a long time. In fact, I don't know if I've actually, I know the song, but I don't know if I've actually done it. It's a song that was made well known by, or made, brought to the fore by Cabercaillie. Coshigaroon. Tell me what the sound's like, by the way. Coshigaroon, Huiloro, come the Yawgram, Mohiado, there's Haribu and Huiloro, Rana Hede, Mochorino. It's Haribu and Huiloro, Rana Hede, Mohiado. Sean Caibal Iloro, Molanan Bohorino. Sean Caibal Iloro, Molanan Ohiabo, shall I get go you Iloro, on his gallows. Okay then, apart from repeating one verse there. Okay, so is the sound okay? I'm trying to see. Hope it is. Hope you're all hearing it okay. Okay then, so I've got a request here for my cousin over in Canada, Barbara, who's hopefully she'll be watching tonight. Danny's asking to play a George Jones song for her cousin Barbara, but actually Barbara's a step ahead of you. So she's asked me to do this old Petula Clark song from years ago, and it's dedicated to all the sort of people whose parents were sailors. Like my dad, he was a sailor, and a lot of people from the island were sailors. And I remember this particular song from way back. I think it might even be early 60s or maybe even before then, I'm not really sure. Okay, so let's see if you know this one. This one's for you, Babs, over in Canada. Sailor, stop your roaming. Sailor, leave the sea. Oh, sailor, when the tide turns, come home safe to me. As you sail across the sea, oh, my love is there beside you, in Capri or Amsterdam, Honolulu or Siam. To the harbor of my heart I will send across the sea, oh my love is there beside you. In Capri or Amsterdam, Honolulu or Siam, to the harbor of my heart I will send my love to guide you. As I call across the sea, come home to me. So who can remember that one? Okay. Gaelic song time. So is everything coming through okay? Danny, yes. Pet Clark. Okay then. So feel free to put your requests in and dedications. I mean, they're all going past so quick, but I promise you that I will look at them, and then the next Kayla that I do, I try and pick some up. And that's what I've done. There's been some requests come in, and there was even a request came in when I did my wee promo last night for a song, and I dropped one and put this one in. So later on there's a request that came in for that. Now, this is a song that probably is one of the most popular and well-known Gaelic songs, and maybe one of the best Gaelic songs really ever written. I have never done this song before, but I know it. So I thought, seeing I haven't done it, someone asked me about it, and I thought, right, let me give it a bash. So as soon as I do it, you'll know it. Hato samocher tohul stogus gesund als Land. Hamische Schau zum Reischuer snam plus en fummewaj Skunuli flein aslepur Han huan koen isna. Okay, song. Okay then. What's my next song? Yeah. There's a great version done by, well, the definitive version of this song was by Sam Cooke, but a few other people have done it as well. What's the name of that band? I did a song of theirs last week. I'm trying to think of them. Dr. Hoop did a version of this song as well. So let me have a wee bash at this. She was only 16, only 16. I loved her so. She was too young to fall in love, and I was too young to know. We'd laugh and we'd sing, do the little things that made my heart glow. But she was too young to fall in love, and I was too young to know. But why did I give my heart so fast? It never will happen again. I was a mere lad of 16. I've aged a year since then. She was only 16, only 16, with eyes that would glow. Oh, she was too young to fall in love, and I was too young to know. But why did you give your heart so fast? It never will happen again. You were a mere lad of 16. I've aged a year since then. She was only 16, only 16, with eyes that would glow. But she was too young to fall in love, and I was too young to know. Oh, she was too young to fall in love, and I was too young to know. Ooh, she was too young to fall in love. I was too young to know. Who remembers that one? Only 16. So that's a good one for Dean Fraser. That's especially for you, Dean, tonight. Only 16. Now then, Belan's going to join me in a wee while, and before that, I think I'll do my medley, my Gaelic medley. So I put together another medley of sort of favourite songs, I think. Hopefully you'll like them. We'll see how we get on. It's a long one, this. So, did a wee run through a while ago. So you can go and put the kettle on if you feel like it, because this is going to be about 8 minutes long, at least. If I can last it. Okay. And one of the songs I'm actually going to do, I'm dedicating it to my good pal Duncan MacLeod from Carloway, because if you remember, I did a medley. I can't remember if it was my last one or not, and I did a song She Shabbos the Spoil, and of course he was immediately on saying, why did you do Shabbos and you forgot about Carloway? So tonight I'm going to put Carloway in there right at the end, and if I'm doing okay, I might actually stick in Shabbos at the end as well. We'll see how we get on. Okay, right. Here we go. That caters for the west side of the island. And that's coming from a Brea Street boy, praising Carly and Shawbus. What do you think about that? So I enjoyed that. Not sure how long that was, but it didn't feel that long. Okay, before Belan comes and joins us, now, this is a request, and I'll tell you who the request is from. Let's see if I can find it. Yeah, this request is from Agnes Fraser. She put in asking for this song. So just goes to show you, we do look at all the comments and put in your songs, because one of the things that I think I've really enjoyed more than anything else in doing these Céilís is the songs that you lovely people are asking for, that ordinarily, we might have forgotten about them. I mean, Sailor, for a start, the Pet Clark song. If Barbara hadn't asked me to do it, I probably would never do it. And this is the same with this song here. I probably wouldn't do this song either, but this one's for you, Agnes, right? And you know it straight away, and I'm sure plenty of you will also remember this. Probably around 62 or something like that. Wrong key, let me try that again. Too much of a rush. There's a new world somewhere they call the Promised Land, and I'll be there someday if you will hold my hand. I still need you there beside you, oh, no matter what I do, for I know I'll never find another you. There is always someone for each of us, they say, and you'll be my someone forever and a day. I could search the whole world over until my life is through, for I know I'll never find another you. It's a long, long journey, so stay by my side. When you walk through the storm, you'll be my guide, be my guide. If they give me a fortune, my pleasure would be small. I could lose it all tomorrow and never find at all song specially for you, Agnes. Thanks so much for asking for that song. I really enjoyed doing it. I'll never find another you.
Murdo
Yeah,
said
yeah.
no yodeling, Shani.
No yodeling. Yeah, I'm not allowed to yodel, apparently. Someone doesn't like me yodeling. Right then, so I'm going to have a wee bit of a break now. And I'm going to be joined by not only my daughter, Belan, but her 2 boys. And they're going to tell us what songs they're going to do. They're going to do a Gaelic one and an English one. Is that right?
Yeah.
Which one do you
Yep.
want to do? Murdo, who are you a big fan of?
Nathan Carter.
Murdo is a big fan of Nathan Carter.
He's also a big fan of Mr. McKeever.
He is?
Yeah.
So
Whoa.
the first one, the boys want to sing it for their daddy, who's in the North Sea bobbing around. And it's a Nathan Carter song.
Oh, no, it's not. And we're not going to do the Gaelic one
Do the
first.
Gaelic one
Oh,
first.
well, no. What do you want to do first?
Which one do you want to do first?
We'll do the Gaelic one.
Okay, so who teaches you Gaelic singing?
Mr.
And
McKeever.
Mr. McKeever.
Is he any good?
You're going to
Yeah.
dedicate this to Mr. McKeever.
Okay.
And now, is Mr. McKeever...
I've heard it's rubbish.
Is Mr. McKeever much better at singing than Shani?
Yeah.
Are you hearing that? Oh, he's not. That's a terrible thing to say. That's a
You
terrible
really
thing to say.
Oh.
Huh? So Belan is going to do a wee family get together. Let's see how it gets.
Apologies in advance.
I think Mr. McKeever taught you this one, did he? Are you ready? Come on, Marty, let's hear you sing. Well done, well done. Now,
Ninky's reading your instrument box.
oh dear me. I don't know what the rhythm of that was like. Now, Marty, tell everyone that you're a big, huge fan of Nathan Carter and tell them what you're going to be doing.
We are going to be doing Banks of the Roses.
Yeah,
But
and
tell them, where are you going in September?
Eden Court.
And who are you going to hear there?
Nathan Carter.
Whoa, that's exciting, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nathan Carter. All
You're
right
going to sing
then.
this one with Shani?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. On the banks of the roses, me love and I sat down, and I took out the fiddle boy to play me love a tune. In the middle of the tune, oh, she sang and she said, oh, Johnny, lovely Johnny, don't you leave me. When I was a young boy, I heard my father say that he'd rather see me dead and buried in the clay sooner than be married to be run away with the love. In the banks of the roses, me love and I sat down, and I took out my fiddle to play thought that was
boys.
pretty good, guys. I thought that was really good. Huh? What do you think? Are you ready now to go into Granny's to get some tea and biscuits and things? What do you think?
Dad, everyone.
Because I think your mum's now going to do some songs.
You go inside and see if Granny's drinking tea.
Yeah.
Probably.
Thank you very much. Thank you so much, boys, for
I
coming.
didn't even do a single song.
Well done, you were doing percussion.
You were
See
doing
you
percussion.
later.
See you later. Okay then, now, so Belan's turn.
Now then, what?
So there's a request here for this song, and it is from, let me see if I can find it. From Margaret McCrae to Mary Macaulay. I'm assuming that's Marionian, is it? Is that the Mary Macaulay? I'm not sure. And the request is a song that I wrote in memory of my days over in Briasclate when we used to go out to Binvodd, which was a hill that's right at the back, and picturing on a lovely summer's evening, sitting up there and looking out over Loch Rogue, that I just felt that this was pretty close to heaven. Okay then, we're ready then. Hold on.
Angela. 'Cause I know you'll find
Well done, Belan.
Ooh.
Okay, tell him what the next song is. An
Uh,
old country song.
I have no idea because you've got the list.
All right. Yeah, this song is Jolene.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, Jolene.
Yep.
Isn't it? I think that's the one.
Let's give that a bash.
Yeah, Jolene. Okay, how are you getting on tonight? 400 people. That's great. Absolutely lovely. Hope you're enjoying it. Hope the sound is fine tonight. And we try and bring a mixture. And I forgot to actually mention when I did the Gaelic medley that there was a special request from Donny McKenzie, who I spoke about right at the start, for his good lady, Annie Vertigan, who's retiring soon, I think. So I don't know how you're going to be able to cope with that, Donny, if that's happening. So that medley was for you, and also that one, Fashketh Glor, also for you. So, Jolene.
Jolene, 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 I'm begging of you, please don't take my mind. Jolene, 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 please don't take it just because you can. Your beauty is beyond compare, flaming locks of auburn hair with ivory skin and eyes of emerald green. Your smile is like a breath of spring, your voice is soft like summer rain, and I cannot compete with you. Jolene, 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 I'm begging of you, please don't take my mind. Jolene, 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 please don't take it just because you can. He talks about you in his sleep. There's nothing I can do to keep from crying when he calls your name, Jolene. And I can easily understand if you could easily take my man. You don't know what he means to me, Jolene. Jolene, 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 oh, I'm begging of you, please don't take my mind. Jolene, 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 please don't take it just because you can. Now that you could have your choice of men, I could never love again. He's the only one for me, Jolene. I had to have this talk with you. My happiness depends on you, whatever you decide to do. Jolene, 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 oh, I'm begging of you, please don't take my mind. Jolene, 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 please don't take it just because you can.
Oh, that was a bit rough.
It was fine. I thought it was quite good. I thought that was pretty good. Okay then, so so now you've got a special request, Belan, the next song, Dragman, so you can
Oh,
do your,
yes, I got a request
you can do your
from
request for that.
Kathleen, Willie Teddy's daughter, for Greg Maranoch, a song that he wrote for his wife, in memory of his wife. So we'll give this one a bash. It's Greg Maranoch.
She knew Buchar vi teigar et sånne fødikainas jeg og feiste fra kålarum chagra og røms Ein kon I tart nam heide seg mar foi og hin og jag gam och Vis mir kein noch en eifnes Som weiß ich kriegst galor Senur ergorscht Calvary Chador Schachichu asmoch eine Sön vis mi björn I mig att skat jag deran stort kludan skakt Hug mina moige ut Chajipa en sjaunesh Gusen chich mocharak Ever freie rit og
That one's for you, Willie.
It's for Willie and the girls.
And the girls as well, absolutely. Okay, now, Balan was wanting to do this song.
Was I?
Yeah, Don't Let Me Cross Over.
Oh yeah.
We've done it before myself.
Yeah,
Molly, and the
somebody
boys have done
requested it.
And someone actually requested that, that you do that song. Let me dedicate this song to someone I met the other day when I was going for a walk down the beach. Morag Lockerbie. I hadn't seen Morag for such a long, long time. And I'd like to dedicate this song to Morag because whenever I think of this song, I think of Flair, Ian Costello and Noreen doing it. Okay, Balan?
Okay.
Don't let me cross over love's cheating line. You belong to another and can never be mine. I know one step closer would be heaven divine. Don't let me cross over love's cheating line. I'm tempted, my darling, to steal you away, so step closer would be heavenly wine. Don't let me cross over love's cheating line. I've tried to forget you, but what else can I do when your eyes keep saying that you love me too? I know if I lose you, not a dream will I have left. I don't wanna cheat, dear, but I can't help myself. Don't let me cross over the love's cheating line. You belong to another, and you'll never be mine. I know one step closer would be heavenly wine. Don't let me cross over love's cheating line.
That's fun. That one's for you, Morak. Okay then. So where are we now? Okay, Balan, I think you'll do another song.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. This is a folky one, I think. I think it's a folky one anyway, isn't it?
What
The
is it?
water is wide.
Oh, yeah.
Hope you're enjoying it tonight, by the way. We're having great fun. And it's great to revisit these old songs. Let me see where I'm at with my I'm really bad for this. I keep forgetting that I've got some requests and dedications. Right, one's for Mary Crook over in Qatar. Mary's always on there. I haven't seen her. Barbara, you're absolutely right. Barbara Moffat. Belan, you've taken over from my mum as Queen of the Grace Notes. Belan got
It's
her
in
voice.
the genes, it's in the genes.
Belan got her voice from my auntie, Katrina, over in Ballinhushar. She always sang. A lovely lady. One of my favourite aunties. I loved her. And yeah, it's good, Barbara, that you're here with us tonight. So where was that? Yeah, Mary Crook over in Qatar. I've given the dedication to Agnes Fraser, Never Find Another You. Oh, now then, happy birthday. I've got to do a happy birthday for a special lady that's over in Ullapool called Kathleen Geddes. And this is from all your Ullapool friends. Okay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Kathleen. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Kathleen. Won't tell anyone how old you are. You're very young, I would say. So let me see if I can go through it in case I miss any other ones. Ishbal Grant, special request for Natrach Guard. Yes, I think we'll try and do that one right at the end, Ishbal. Because a good song, I think, to finish off with. So, meantime, I think that's me covered with anything. And please put in your dedications and your requests for songs, especially songs from way back when we were young and carefree, and any Gaelic songs as well. So, ready then, Balan?
Yes.
I think I'll turn it over to you.
The water is wide, I can cross over, nor do I have the wings to fly. Give me a boat that can wished at balloons, but love grows old and waxes cold and fades away like the morning dew. The water is wide, I can't cross over, nor do I have light wings to fly. Give me a boat that can carry two. We both shall row, my love and I.
That's a really nice song, that. Okay.
That's plenty from me. You carry
Well,
on.
you can hang around. You can hang around and maybe join me for more songs. We'll see how we get on. I had to sort of fill in and put some additional songs in because we didn't manage to get Ado to come along with me. But like I mentioned, that's gonna happen later on. And as I said, we just felt that the sound that he was managing to get today wasn't really as good as it could be. So rather than do it, and because we're going to be have a good yarn and then have songs each, and because we weren't really getting a good balance between what I was doing and the sound that I was getting and what he was getting, we decided that we'll spend some time trying to get his sound better. But we'll definitely get together, the two of us, and go for a walk down memory lane and talk about all the sort of things that talking to Ado today about. And I'll tell you, I'll just mention this. Maybe I'm brave enough to do this, but those of you that went to the castle, you'll remember very well when it used to come to the social at Christmas. And I don't know if any of you have ever heard that song by Mark Knopfler that talks about Mr. McIntyre, making them do the dance. Well, we had that, where the gym teacher took us to teach us how to do the dances for the social, because it was all guys, all boys that we had in the castle. So that was one of the first tortures that we had to go through to to do that. And the second one was we had to actually ask some girl to come to the social with us, right? So we used to have to head downtown for a break, and we used to wander. We used to have the sort of what we used to do in the olden days. Many of you remember Woolies. It used to be a circuit right round Woolies, and so when it was getting closer and closer to the time, the boys would say, "Have you got anyone for the social?" And, "Oh no, but I'm going to go today." And so you would sort of work out where a girl might be working or staying or whatever it is. And I remember my first year in the social, and I hope it'd be really good if she was here tonight. The first girl that I took a social was a girl from Point. And she worked in Newells, the florist, with another girl from Locks. Can't remember what her name was. So the last time I saw her was taking her to the bus, heading for Point, and I never saw her again. So if you're on here tonight, if you can remember that, that would have been 1967.
She had a lucky escape.
Yeah, so Belan reckons she had a lucky escape. Anyway, so we're going to be talking about things like that, and dances and socials and things in the 6 year hut and stuff like that. So it should be really good fun. Anyway, from these days, I think I mentioned this before. Who can remember when Donovan came to Stornoway and caused chaos in the middle of Stornoway with girls, especially from the Nicholson, being late going back to their classes?
I think you spoke about that on a
I
previous
think I might have actually done. I think
yeah.
someone admitted here that they got a bit of a roasting when they got back. But the fact that they told a certain teacher that that this was a star didn't impress him one little bit. Anyway, this is a song by Donovan. Here we go. In the chilly hours and minutes of uncertainty, I your hand along the sand. Ah, but I may as well try and catch the wind. When sundown veils the sky, wanna hide a while behind your smile, but everywhere I look, your eyes I'd find. For me to love you now would be the sweetest thing, would make me sing. Ah, but I may as well try and catch the wind. Dee, 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 dee. Oh, when rain has hung the leaves with tears, I want you near to kill my fears, to help me keep all my blues behind. Oh, for me to love you now would be the sweetest thing, oh, it'd make me sing. Ah, but I may as well try and catch the wind. Ah, but I may as well try and catch the wind.
Good one.
So that's a song that brings back a lot of memories. A lot of memories to me especially. So myself and Adam will be talking about these days, and I'm sure there's plenty here that will tell some stories about those days. Well, the other thing I forgot to actually mention, don't want to push it at all, but for the first time I decided that I would put a wee tip jar up, and it's for people who feel as if they might want to contribute a wee bit to me and people like Willie, because we're self-employed really in music with running our businesses, and we've done all these concerts, and I don't want anyone at all to put anything in there if they can't afford to do it, but it's going to be available for people if they feel as if they want to give us a wee tip, and I might split the takings with Milan.
As if.
Maybe,
You might
yeah.
get yourself a new Sports Direct mug.
Yeah. So I thought that Sports Direct would actually sponsor me, seeing I use it all the time. But no, they haven't come to me at all. Okay, now let me go back to a Gaelic song. And this is a song that I think, if I remember right, I haven't done before. And I'm trying to think, I think the Sheerik did it. I've got a feeling they did. There's a lot of Gaelic songs, and I mentioned this before with Adi Valachro, that the melodies are very similar to each other with just a slight twist or something slightly different, maybe a repeating line or something like that. And I think this song here is an example of that. When I start singing it, it'll probably bring memories to you of another Gaelic song as well. Okay, Ryan and Yerin, Osan Amogulsa. Osan Hane Julie Howl, Erin Huvatiana Vain, Burat Ferrum Naun Hai, Gan Bokai Gerain Miaver, Osan Hane Julie Howl. Haniel Nyak Sunye 상하늘 주니까 Nice wee song that. Now, I'm going to jump a song because, let's see, right, song was I going to do, yeah, I'm going to jump a song here, I can find it, and I'll go back to that, just in case, because I'm going to run out of time to do all the songs that I've got on the list here. And this is a song, another request that came in out of the blue, and it's for Kirsty Cooper. It's Kirsty here tonight, and it's a song that I remember from way back, and I'm sure plenty of you will remember this song. Okay.
You can take me off the screen if you want to.
Oh, sorry, Balan, yeah.
It's all right.
Okay. Oh, okay. Okay, you remember this one? When I was young, I went to school. They taught me how to write, to take the chalk and make a mark and hope it turns out right. Well, that's the way it is with love and what you did to me. I wrote it so you'd know that I was yours eternally. But my tears I washed, I love you from the backboard of your heart. It's too late to clean the slate and make another start. I'm satisfied the way things are, although we're far apart. My tears have washed, I love you from the blackboard of my heart. If you'd been true the way you should and not have gone astray, these tears would not have fallen down and washed those words away. No need to talk, 'cause if the chalk should write those words again, it will be for someone else, not things that might have been. But my tears I've washed, I love you from the blackboard of my heart. But it's too late to clean the slate and make another start. I'm satisfied the way things are, although we're far apart. My tears have washed, I love you from the blackboard of my heart. But the tears I've washed, I love you from the blackboard of my heart. Well, it's too late to clean the slate and make another start. I'm satisfied the way things are, although So thank you very much, Kirsty, for putting in that request. And I wonder if it's that song. There was a song that I'm actually doing today, and I think I checked it. Yeah. Now, Danny always goes on about George Jones. That was a song that George Jones recorded, along with Daniel O'Donnell and the Alexander Brothers. So Daniel O'Donnell did it. It wasn't one of George Jones' best songs. I listened to it, it wasn't a great version of it. Now, Daniel O'Donnell, someone way back on one of my early concerts, speaking about Daniel O'Donnell, what Willie kindly calls red faces. And basically what he said to me, that I sounded like Daniel O'Donnell on a bad day. You gotta laugh at that. So I'm hoping today that I might sound a wee bit like Daniel O'Donnell on a reasonably good day. Daniel O'Donnell did a version of this song, but we all remember the Alexander Brothers. But it's a really nice song, isn't it? Blackboard Off. So thanks, Kirsty, for reminding me of that song. And also reminding me of Daniel O'Donnell. So let me get back onto my programme now. How are we doing time-wise? Probably have to start thinking about winding down sometime soon.
Oh, a few more Gaelic ones, should.
Yeah. Which Gaelic ones will I do now? Yeah. I tell you what. Let me do the Gaelic national anthem, or one of them anyway. Canon and Gale. So lad, you can join me on this one.
Yeah.
Let me see. I'll just make sure that I'm in the right place. I think I am. Here we go. Nish, dyn ni'n yell haka. Right, I'm starting to throw some songs out because I'm never going to get through them all. Right, there's a song here that I really like. This is a folky song. I think you might have done this song before. It's a Dick Cohen song, Both Sides of the Tweed. What's the spring breathing jasmine on rose? What's the summer with all its gay train? Or the splendor to autumn to those who batter their freedom for gain? Let the love of our land sacred rise to the love of our people succeed, and may friendship and honor unite and flourish on both sides the Tweed. No sweetness, senses can cheer, which corruption and bribery hide. No brightness that gloom can e'er clear, for honor the sun of mine. Let the love of our land sacred right to the love of our people succeed, and may friendship and honor unite and flourish on both sides between. Let virtue distinguish the brave, place riches in lowest degree. Think and poorest who can be a slave, aim riches who dares to be free. Let the love of our land sacred right to the love of our people succeed, and may friendship and honor unite and flourish on both sides between. Let us think how our ancestors rose. Let us think how our ancestors fell. The rights they defended and those they bought with their blood we never sell. Let the love of our land sacred right to the love of our people succeed, and may friendship and honor unite and flourish on both sides the Tweed. A great
Lovely.
song, a really, really good song. Dick Cohen at his best there. Now let's see where we're at. So don't forget to put your requests in. Hope you enjoyed the night. So I'll probably do another couple. I'm going to have to drop a few.
Don't drop any Gaelic ones.
Okay, right. Okay, let me do a Gaelic one now then. This is an old favourite. Okay. Edonian, Horonian, Edonian, kain to yawin, Stuleitlan, Gymnugan, Gwad, Kachani, Gagloi, Gapana. skut malanan Ani fake skut marurat Achonua Urubuat mi Yakumi maruan kenha Eronian Oronian Eronian Echein tu yalni Stuleglan Kunnugat Uabu Kagani Gatmuai Gapam Ugni Chorus right gently on Spigationi ertolad Sonak duermi marbebi onlan Ileg mi vuamelian sanhat Eronian, Oronian Eronian, kein du yalni Stuleglan Kunnugat Uabu Kagani Gatmuai Gapam
Beauty.
That's a really nice song. I'm sorry that all these people are coming online. I tried to get Mary, my daughter, to get rid of them, but I don't think she actually managed to do it. You really need to have someone on there just getting rid of these people from the chat. But I can multitask a wee bit, but I don't think I can actually handle doing that. Now then, what will I do now? I think I'll start winding down now in a wee while. Let me see what I've got. Yeah, let me do another Gaelic song. Let me do Cheelan Nara. think I'll do one more song and then we'll finish off with Nathrach Guard, if I can find it. I've got loads of songs here. I'll do them. It's a really nice song here. Originally done by Porter Wagoner. I really like it. I'll probably do it next time. You know the one how many times have you heard someone say, if I had his money, I would do things my way. But little they know that it's so hard to find one rich man in 10 with satisfied mind. Okay, let me do it. Once I was winning in fortune and fame, everything that I dreamed for to get a start in life's game. Then suddenly it happened. I lost every dime, but I'm richer by far now with a satisfied mind. Money can buy back your youth when you're old, or a friend when you're lonely, or a love that's grown cold. The wealthiest person is a pauper in time, compared with the man with a satisfied mind. When my life is ended, my time has run out. My friends and my loved ones, I leave, there's no doubt. But one thing's for certain, when it comes to my time, oh, I leave this old world with a satisfied mind. How many times have you heard someone say, if I had his money, I'd do things my way. But little they know that, oh, it's so hard to find one rich man in 10 with a satisfied mind. So I'll miss out Crying in the Rain. I was going to do that one.
Just do them all.
Well, let's see. What's the time? I think we probably should wind down a little bit. I'll look through the ones that I can do. Happy Together. A happy song. Been meaning to do this for loads of concerts. Never got round to actually doing it. Maybe a wee bit of it. Another 60s song. If I can remember it. Imagine me and you. I do. I think about you day and night. It's only right to think about the girl you love and hold her tight. So happy together. If I should call you up, invest a time, you say that you belong to me, then ease my mind. Imagine how the world could be so very fine, so happy together. I can see me loving nobody but you. always. It had to be the only one for me is you, and you for me. So happy together, ba ba ba. So happy together, la 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 la. How is the weather, la 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 la. Happy together, la 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 la. Remembers that song
That's a good one.
by the Turtles? Sometime, Danny, when was that? 68 or 69 maybe, something like that. Okay then, I think we'll now finish off tonight. Hope you enjoyed tonight with Master of Guard. Myself and Belan will do this one. And it's a special request for Isabel Grant. She likes this song. And I'm hoping I'm remembering everyone's dedication. If not, please forgive me and come back to me again and remind me that I forgot about you. I think I've been through the list of ones that I had. And don't forget Donny Mackenzie. I don't know if it's still pinned. I can't really see it on here. The thing about Lewis Offshore reunion, and also Donny's email for you to get in touch with him. So I hope to see you again. Probably the next time I'll see you will be with Ado. And that should be really good fun together. And I think Ian Costello's on next Friday, if I'm no mistaken. Ian, let us know. Put a wee message up. I think you are on next Friday. So that'll be a great show as usual. Ian's got a great following. If Ian mentions, put it in the, if you're still here, Ian, if you're still watching, just confirm that you're on next Friday. Yeah, so hope you enjoyed tonight, and safe journeys until we see you again. And let's finish off with Another Guard. Thank you all very much. Now, before I go, I just noticed a good wee pal of mine from over in Quebec, Canada. Wee Thomas.
Oh.
Yeah, so he's watching there. So hope you're doing well, Thomas, and hope to come and see you again sometime. He loves Belan, but he's my number one fan, Belan, over there.
What was the song that he loved you singing?
Bonjour from Thomas, coming up on things,
Oh.
yeah. So he liked, I can't remember what song he actually liked, but it's really good. So, yeah, hope you enjoyed this evening. It's been great fun coming to you and keeping these Céilís. And so long as you're wanting to keep these Céilís going and enough people turn up and show an interest in it, I'm sure we'll try and keep them going. And I really enjoy going back and doing all these old songs. So keep all these songs coming and putting the songs that you like yourselves on. And the great thing about music is nearly every song that people request, they've got a memory alongside it, whether it's Gaelic or English, of 60s or even earlier. So stay safe until we see you again, and let's hope that the COVID restrictions will ease and that we'll be able to have a bit more freedom. But have a good night and God's blessing to you all, and stay safe until we meet again. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Belan as well.
Bye.